Alright, let's look at to create a very simple go-to secret once again. So first, you go to your Photoshop and take a new page layout, Control N. So here you take the size of what you want. So I'll just go with 4 by 2.8. Okay, so I leave it at inches. The resolution 300. The pixel and the pixel stroke inches. Then the color RGB 8-bit is okay. White as the background content white is okay. So I just go ahead and create. Alright, so here we are. Quickly I'll put the solid color to it, and I'll give the same color as black. Be a black solid color based on what we want to do. Alright, okay. And I'll go ahead and get my test.
You good?
Okay. Alright, so this is a test that we're using. Ctrl T to bring out the node so you can expand. And this is it. I'll highlight everything and leave it in bold. Okay. Alright, yeah, video. Good word now. So what we do? We'll come to your layers, your layer menu. Come there, you right click. When you right click, you check for blending options, and you click it. So from here, I'll just highlight all what we are going to be using for this short tutorial, which is the first in the bevel and emboss. And next is the inner shadow. We will be using color overlay, and we are going to be using the dwarf shadow. I think we are going to be working with this 4. It's good. Alright, so first let's go back to bevel and emboss. So I'll change the style. You look at the style and change the style to inner bevel. Then the techniques, make sure it's in pixel add. And the depth, I'm going to make the depth 300. And the direction, I'll leave it in up, and it will be up. You can choose down or up, but I prefer it to be upward. Then the size, I'll leave it in 20. The soft tone, leave it in 0. It's okay. Then the angle 90 is okay. You can choose to use the global light or leave it unchecked. The altitude 35 is okay. Then here you have the glass contour. I'll change it to this second one. We look at it here. Okay, that's good. Then the light mode, I'll leave it at linear dodge. Add. Okay, that's good. The shadow mode, leave it in multiply, and the opacity 40. Color black. Then move to the other one, which is the inner shadow. So move to the inner shadow. First, I'll change the blend mode to normal. The color still on black. The opacity, we leave it as 40%. The angle, we leave it at 90 degree. Make sure it's a 90 degree, so you can check in the use global light. If yours is not checked, you can check the use global light, or you can decide to uncheck it. It doesn't really matter much. The distance, I'll leave it at 6. If you want to play with it, you can play with it, but I think 6 is okay. The choke 0 is okay, and the distance you can either choose to use 7 or 8 is okay. And you come to the contour, you just click that downward arrow to bring out these features. Then you come to this very one. in the seventh picture and you click it. That is good. Alright, when you click that, we are good to go. The next is the color overlay. The color overlay, the blend mode, we are leaving it as normal. Then you go to the color. You go to the color. Now this is what we are going to be using for the color. Okay, then I like it. Alright, for the overlay, that is good. So you go to the color and we are going to be using this color code FF9C00. Alright, this is okay. Then you hit OK when you're done. And go over to the last part, which is the dwarf shadow. And over to the dwarf shadow, you leave the blend mode at multiply. The angle goes with 90 degrees. The distance 0, so that it should be at the center. It's okay. The spread 0, and you can leave the size as 28. Every other thing remain the same. You just check OK when you are done. So this is how to make a simple good test effect in less than 2 minutes. We are done. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thank you.